not a really big shopper, and thus when I do shop, I don't know where to go for certain types of clothing. So we will be using while loops to create sets of different stores so I don't have to struggle anymore. So to start off, we want to create a variable that allows a user to input a type of store they want. So we will do store and then input, as I said, it's an input statement, and we'll do the types of stores. So we'll say pick a store that is low cost, oops, that is online, and athletic. So before we start, I want to preference with, I don't know stores, like I said. So most of these are online, most of these are different categories, but for this example, we're going to pretend like they're one. So we also will make a set that has our stores. So we'll say shopping places, and then we'll make a set. The reason why we're using a set is because we don't want duplicates of stores. We just want it once, and especially if we had more than 3 types, we don't want duplicates because it can get a little confusing. So we use sets, and now we will start our while loop. So we will have while, and basically we will have a condition. While this condition is true, the while while loop will continue. So because we want this to continue, until we have our exit, which is something I should put up here, or exit, we will say while store is not exit, we will do our loop. So what is in this loop? We're basically saying if you want this type of store, we will push in this store. So if you want these types, here are your stores. Okay? So we'll say if we store equals low cost, low cost, we will do shopping cart or shopping place, and then we'll add the store of outlet. Okay, and then we'll just do this for each type of store. So if store equals online, then we will do shopping places, add Vons, and then if store equals our last one as athletic, we will do shopping places, and then we'll add Gymshark. Okay, now we have all of our if statements. We want we want to use it to be able to continuously add a store. So we'll have another store variable. So we'll say store, and then we'll do equals input, pick another store, and then we will we'll say stores because this is conflicting with, oh wait, why is this upset? There you go. It has to be, the indentation was wrong. Okay, so now that we have all of that, we are letting the user go and pick a store until they do exits. We now want to kind of make sure our shopping list is correct. So we'll just print out all the things in shopping cart. So we'll say for stores, in shopping, I keep saying shopping cart, I mean shopping place, we will print the stores. Okay. Actually, we should probably do this so they don't collide with each other. Beautiful. Now we can save and then check if our stuff works. So we'll go to where I'm supposed to be, and then we will run it. Now let's pick. We'll do online. Okay. And then we'll do athletic. And since we're done picking stores, we'll do exit. Oh. I meant to do that. Let's try that one more time. So we'll just clear this up. We'll do online again. We'll do athletic. And then we'll do exit because we're done. There we go. Beautiful, magical, beautiful, magical.